Welcome to our channel. Shaping shots intentionally expands your shot-making arsenal and helps you navigate trouble. Follow these steps to curve the ball on command. Step 1. Understand the fundamental principle. To curve the ball, create a difference between your swing path and club face angle. Path determines starting direction, while face angle relative to path creates curve. Step 2. To hit a draw, align your body right of your target. Aim your club face at your target while your feet, hips, and shoulders point right. Swing along your body line with the face closed relative to path. Step 3. For a fade, align your body left of your target. Aim your club face at your target while your body points left. Swing along your body line with the face open relative to path. Step 4. Adjust your grip for shot shape. Slightly strengthen your grip for draws, rotating both hands right. Weaken your grip for fades, rotating both hands left. These adjustments help match club face to path. Step 5. Modify your ball position. Playing the ball slightly back encourages draws, while forward positions promote fades. These changes affect swing path and face angle at impact. Step 6. Feel the difference in release. Draws require more forearm rotation through impact, while fades need restricted rotation with held-off finish positions. Step 7. Practice both shapes with every club. Start with small curves and gradually increase the amount as your confidence and consistency develop. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.